Hi guys, welcome to Code Decode. Today, the Code Decode virtual family has touched 10k subscribers and it's all because of you people. The immense support you people have shown towards us is uncomparable and we are highly obliged. In such a short time, we are glad that we have reached 10k member base in our virtual family. So, it's time to thank you all and it's time to show our gratitude to all of you in the form of giveaways. So, let's start with the giveaway part. So this giveaway, in this particular giveaway, we have some courses worth rupees 15,000 which we are giving completely free. So a big thanks to Geeks for Geeks for making these courses available to us. So let me quickly take you to giveaway courses that we are offering to you because of Geeks for Geeks. That is, the first is the DS and Algorithm Foundation. This is the basic DS Algo course. This actually contains few features, it is a lifetime access course. So once, if you get a coupon to it, once you access that, it is a lifetime course. It is lifetime free for you. It is a track-based learning. It's a premium lecture videos by industry experts and many more features these courses do actually avail for you. The course overview says that if anyone who wants to learn the basics of data structure, so data structure is a very important part of interviews for a big giant companies. To start with the basics of data structures, you can always have a look at this particular course. It is used for like people who are going to start giving the competitive programming or preparation for the on-campus and off-campus placements. The programmers looking to replenish their fundamentals and data structures, this course is for them. What you will learn in this course is you will learn about the core fundamentals of data structures and algorithm in a practical manner with utmost clarity. You will learn the basics yet important topics of data structures and algorithm like recursion and searching and many more. I'll show you what actually this course contains. Also learn about more advanced topic like dynamic programming, backtracking, graphs, trees and many more such complex things. So let me make you go through the contents of this course, which is design and algorithms, the analysis of algorithms, the order of growth, the asymptotic notations, big O notations, omega notation, theta notations, many more such complex topics. Then arrays, then recursion, hashing, strings, searching and sorting, and we have many more. We have linked list, circular linked list, doubly linked list, stack, queue, dequeue, tree, binary search tree, heap, graph, greedy algorithms, dynamic programming and backtracking algorithms. So I believe this much is more than enough if you are trying to crack an interview at a foundation level, at a basic level. This course is then for you. Now how to, if you in case get lucky enough to get the chance to get this particular coupon, you just have to avail this particular, you just have to register it, then avail the course. I'll quickly take you to the course first. So this is basically track-based module system where you will learn something and then you will have some practice marks here. Similarly, you can always have these tracking-based systems for you. It will actually help you prepare very nicely for your interviews. Now, this was about the first course. The first course was all about data structures and algorithm in a fundamental basic way. Now, let me tell you something about the second course, which is what we are offering with the help of Geeks for Geeks. So this course is actually $499. If you get the coupon, you will be lucky enough to get it completely free. That course was 1,500 almost, and it is also free for you. So this course actually contains the Amazon SDA test series. So we have already learned the basics, right? So this particular course contains 10 practice contests similar to product-based coding rounds. So this is basically for the people who are actually applying for product-based giants like Amazon, Microsoft, etc. It has topic-wise divided tracks for easy learning and access, in-depth coverage of questions for data structures and algorithm. So this course is for those, it's actually a one-stop series for those who wants to get recruited in world's best tech companies like Amazon. This tech series covers almost all possible questions that Amazon can ask in an interview rounds. This is designed keeping the consideration of all important topics of data structures and algorithm that Amazon can exclusively put forward towards the hiring. You will learn about what possibly can be asked in Amazon. You will learn the subtopics of data structures and algorithm asked by Amazon and the tricky questions which you will be actually able to handle with these 10 practice contests. So what is the content? The content is the same that I have shown you: arrays, searching, sorting, metrics, linked list, stack, queue, trees, many more, dynamic programming, backtracking, and this is more than enough for you to have the practice for those test series. So basically it contains 10 practice contests for Omnigen test series containing 2 questions each. So this is a very important test series if you are trying to crack a real big product based giant companies like Amazon, Microsoft, etc. So it's again, if you are lucky enough, you will get the coupon. This is completely free. So this was all about the 2 courses which we are going to provide you all free. Now what you have to do to get that particular courses, you need to choose which course you want. You want a foundation or you want the test series. Then in the comment section of this video, please comment with your email ID and the course name. We are not expecting anything else from you. You just have to comment with email ID and the course name. Then the result will be announced on the Instagram page. The link for the Instagram page will be given in the description below. There you have to follow that particular thing, and on you have to comment before 3rd March. Results will be announced after 3rd March only. So please make sure that you are adhering to the timeline. 3rd March is the deadline for this commenting part. If you're lucky enough, you will get your code. If you're not that lucky enough, please don't be disheartened. It's like if you don't have the full access or completely free coupon, you will always have at least 10% discount in both of those codes. The code will be code decode in the capital. That also I'll be providing in the description below in the Instagram. So what you have to do, just remember 3 things. You have to comment the video below with the email ID and the course name, and that is it, nothing else. And what you have to do on the second point is you have to go and follow the Instagram page. The results will be announced on and after 3rd of March. So please make sure that you comment before 3rd March. The results will be announced after 3rd March. So that also, Geeks for Geeks have a new channel, that is Geeks for Geeks School, where they provide the coding material to people who are absolutely beginners to it, and they are also providing free courses by their mentors on their channel, so that anyone who wants to learn the coding from scratch can actually check this out. So this is the channel which they have created. You can check this out if you want that particular thing. That's all we have for this giveaway. This is a basic surprise, and we have many more giveaways to be lined up soon. So let's meet in the second giveaway. Thank you.